Think of each additional piece of information as a stair step. Each piece must logically lead to another, and so on until you reach the top. Which logical steps must be taken to arrive at the conclusion? An author's argument may have many different supporting ideas. Identifying the ways in which authors try to convince the readers of their claim is important. Sometimes authors cite other works or scholars to gain credibility, using supporting data such as statistics or graphs, or use models of persuasion, pathos, logos, and ethos. Sometimes authors show us that reliable sources agree with their point. They can either directly quote or cite knowledgeable scholars in the field, credible and pertinent sources, or the general consensus of the scholarly body that's related to their argument. Note the detail of the credential of the sources cited. In the direct quote example, Richard Smith is a renowned doctor at a teaching hospital on the East Coast of the United States. In the citation example, the American Diabetes Association is cited as a reliable source. Authors also use statistical or graphical evidence to support their claim. This can be helpful since pure numbers are difficult to argue with. We can see here that the statistic, you are 2 times more likely to be killed by an alligator than a shark, is surprising because alligator attacks are rarely reported in the news. The graphical representation of this statistic to the right better visualizes the significant difference in types of attacks: shark blue bar and alligator orange bar. Authors often appeal to a person's feelings or morality. Making the argument that something is morally or ethically wrong can be very effective. So can appealing to someone's emotions by making them sympathetic to a cause, afraid of a threat, sad about an event or practice, or angry about injustice.